Hey, so we're back. No, take that out. So we are going to, I have to run to Walmart. I almost said Michael's. For a few last minute things for Bailey for his birthday tomorrow. So we will bring you along and I don't know. No. So we are here at Walmart. It is nice out. I never know what to wear. I'm wearing a tank top with a jacket. And she was going to wear shorts, but we could have told her.
I'm kind of hot right now, though, so
we got to hurry up. We ran into traffic. It doesn't even make any sense.
It was barely any traffic, Mom.
Let's go. These are cute, Maddie. Cardinal Crocs.
These are only $5.
They're so long. Here shopping for Bailey because his birthday is tomorrow, but Maddie keeps saying, what do you want? What do you want? Because my birthday's the next day after. What? I'm like, just stop. Okay, now we're in the toy section. Gotta look at like dinosaur Godzilla? I can't even talk. Godzilla type stuff. He loves these dinosaurs too though. Yeah, let's get that one.
But what's with the hand? It looks like a real person's hand.
I don't understand the hand. I don't know, it's weird. But that looks cool, so let's get this one.
Yeah.
Okay, looking at all the birthday stuff since tomorrow's Bailey's birthday. I already got decorations, so I got some Godzilla decorations we'll show you, but he loves Godzilla. I don't see anything else to add to it here, but anyway. I got a bunch of stuff so far. Maddie's getting this shirt for my dad. It was $5. It's green. His favorite color is green.
He's gonna like it. It's green.
Yeah. All right, now where? No, I don't.
Do you want a 5?
I'm looking for number balloons. Do you see them anywhere here?
Yep.
Where? Oh, they're over there.
Wait, there's no 0.
Oh, there's a 0 right here.
Oh, those are big though.
Well, what do you do? Nothing else. I'm not going anywhere else. So funny. They have all kinds of Easter stuff. Of course, it's almost Easter. But I'm just now taking my Christmas tree down. This part is for Becca. I have to ask you if this is what we were looking at that day. They are so cute. We're done shopping, but now we need a drink because we got meat sticks and cheese for the ride. But what to get? What should we get?
I don't know.
So we got a bunch of stuff. So now we got to go check out.
Yeah.
Found a drink. What we get? 0 sugar root beer. I've never tried that. Have you?
I have.
I never saw it. We're all done, and it feels so good out here. I got everything done for Bailey's birthday.
You've never tried these. These are better than regular Funyuns, so you should try these.
Well, anything hot is better than regular.
True. But these are my favorite type of like hot chip. But also the like jalapeno crispy chips, those are good too. The crunchers or whatever.
Is anybody coming?
Anyway, we got...
You're popping my head off.
Root beer, 0 sugar. So great. Hot Funyuns, a sliced pepper jack, and some beef snack sticks.
A mini snacking on snackies.
Stop saying snackies.
I didn't say that. I think we can run and know that I did not say that.
You said snack on.
I said on here, but I said it on purpose, so let's go.
Don't like when you say snack on though. It's really weird. Or not weird, but it's like so annoying. I don't know why. Or when you say cheapy, it's so I can't. Anyway,
that's okay. Very okay. I'm on that range.
These are better than regular Funyuns though. So if you've never tried them, eat them.
I just feel like, don't tell me how you feel right now, Maddy. The camera. Stop! I'm gonna choke to death. I am literally not. Oh, watch out, bird! Freaking bird! Stop! Talk. You don't.
I'll jump us.
What is wrong with you? You are seriously a pig.
At least I'm pretty. I'm just kidding.
I'm not bumpy anymore over here. Oh. What is that noise?
I don't know, but that lady's staring at us.
Where?
Because we're He's only staring at us because we're really cool.
Obviously.
Obviously. Why is my neck red? What's that guy look like that?
He's just taking a nice stroll.
Or Helen.
It's not her. That is not her. That's, oh, look at my Jeep. That's so cute.
I should know my video call.
You gotta like turn that off sometime.
Oh! You can hear us. We still have our Christmas tree up.
I got all the ornaments off last night though, so you gotta help me bring it down tonight.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
No.
So let him again. So isn't that interesting?
So great. As we eat our cheese.
You're making me look like I'm old. I feel so good outside.
Anyway. What was I saying? Oh, I used to call Polish sausage polar sausage. Don't ask why, I don't know. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, son of a gun. Well, son of a gun.
Butch.
Sorry, dude. Can't move over.
You look like you have a face on your hair.
I don't.
I mean, let's make some Polish. I actually didn't mean to do that time. Polish. I was just. Oh wait, I can't do that. You're driving.
No.
Oh, I guess it actually is.
It's Napoleon Dynamite.
It's all three. It's William and Nolan and Napoleon. Nolan, William, and
They
Napoleon.
did look like Nolan though. I was a Nolan. Nolan.
Oh my gosh, Napoleon is like a
Napoleon.
Napoleon is almost like a mixture of Nolan and William.
My throat is on fire.
Ew. Why does my neck look like that? Here.
My hands are still orange or red or whatever.
You rubbed it on me. Ew, don't laugh like that. I'm gonna burp again.
Man, seriously.
Yeah, my teeth are yellow. Anyway, bye. Look how white it is.
Dude, can you imagine if his jacket got caught in his wheel? No, his freaking. Okay, I'm turning here.
Big old bus.
His jacket got stuck in the wheel. It would like.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's what it would do.
Mom is like thinking of bad